I heard last night that the case is thrown out in common pleas court, the defraud case. So basically saying that Tomlinson was allowed to amend the sentence agreement to that exonerated Nancy Smith, and that Burge was involved in her case, which was a conflict, which wasn't, by the way. Legally, it's not a conflict. If Nancy Smith said Judge Burge, not judge, but former Judge Burge chief of staff of JD could have been involved in wipe his conflict, then there was no issue there with Judge Burge. Okay. And if you really to think, Nancy's not covered under double jeopardy. So...
What does that mean?
Okay, so Nancy was first acquitted, okay? Then the Supreme Court came back and said Judge Burge wasn't allowed to acquit you. And
he didn't have the jurisdiction, but they weren't arguing the same shit. They weren't arguing that she wasn't innocent. They were just arguing he didn't have the jurisdiction.
Yeah, that's what pisses me off about that case is that it's never about whether or not a crime was done.
No.
It's always about some technicality bullshit that just doesn't make sense.